Hi everyone, I am back with a new video about bracelet boards. If you're new to jewelry making, this is a great tool to help you guide your counting and to get exact matching bracelets all the time. Now this one is 7 inches around. I measured it, so it's this one right here in the corner. You can tell I got two different kinds of boards. One for bracelets. This is an actual board for children's, people with smaller wrist size, and people with large wrist size. You have the mediums. The small average size is 7 or 7.5. This is called a bracelet board. Mine is made out of bamboo, and this is a bracelet board too. So I'm going to show you today how to use it. Take the beads of your choice and let's get started. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're new, and thank you so much for subscribing and staying with me this far. I appreciate your patience as I come up with other ideas into learning how to craft jewelry or sewing, or learning how to listen to music that is classical and relaxing. Anyway, that's all you do. Place your beads. Choose any beads you want, medium, large, small, and place them in. Okay, let's see if I got the right size. And then make it look nice and even. Take your strong string. I'm using my black cord string. That's what I look like. This is a 100 millimeter black cord string. 1.0 millimeter. You'll need a pair of scissors to create your bracelet. So all you do, if you want to count it, you just go around in a circle and count it. See, start here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So if I counted it right, you should have 25 beads in here. If you want to place extra bead, you can put it right in here for the top part. Now, for the same thing, if you want to measure it out, now let's take these beads out and go to the 7.5. All you gotta do is just place your beads in the, I'll show you where, right here, this part, and then just measure it out. I think this is come on, let's not play now. If it's gonna be 7.5, add in one more bead. Give me one more. Taking it from my bead tray. Oh, add in one more. Let's see if I can get you to fit one more in here. There we go. That's the 7.5. Want to make it smaller, you can remove the beads and just play with it until you're comfortable with the sides. And there you have your bracelet board. You'll measure it out, and if you're selling these, you can write in your tag what the sizes are, so that way people don't have to guess. If they know their size already, they can, be able to say, hey, this is what we need to do, and this is my size. Anyway, that's it. This is for 6.5. Let's see if we can fill this in. And then, of course, you make the bracelet as is. You string them through, and it'll be that size. Okay, we're gonna make a 6.5 millimeter bracelet. Let's move all these stuff. Now, to make a bracelet, take the string, Find the hole. See that hole? Stick that string through the hole. And there you go. And then all you gotta do is just string it through. And you have a bracelet. I'll show you a bracelet that's already made. And that way, save time. Just clear off your board as best you can. Let's see, find out what size is. I think this is 7.5. My bracelet measures is 7.5. This is what it looks like all completed. I think it's too big for here. Just get you over here. So it's not 8 inches. It's a 7.5. And it's definitely not 7 inches. Well, it could be 7 inches. You never know. Alright, it's either 7.5, which I think is a perfect fit. That's how you tell to measure it out. Just when you're done, place your beads in the board to make sure that's the size you want. You can always play around with it and see how it goes. Now for this one, let you see what it looks like here. And there you have it. So you know this is 7.5, so this is a 7.5. This is the same size as this. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this little DIY, or whatever you want to call, bracelet boards. So if you're new to the bracelet making and you're having trouble finding your size, then I would invest. They're only about $13 for this, and this is made out of pure wood. So, and plus the workmanship and the perfect circle, and then they have to dig it out with a special tool in order to shred it. That takes a long time, an all-day affair. So it's worth the money to invest in a professional one. And you have 8mm, 7.5 inches, 7 inches, 6.75 inches, 6.5, 6 inches. This is the baby. These are the toddler and adult children. Here you can also measure it too. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.5 inches. This is the ruler. Before you tie it, you can put your bracelet on here and measure how many inches it's going to be. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Welcome if you are new. I apologize for taking so long and getting a new video, but I haven't had any good ideas until now. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Give me a good thumbs up. Don't forget to tell your family and friends. And welcome if you're new. And thank you so much for following me and being patient with me. The reason why I haven't posted a lot of videos because I hardly have any ideas. So I have to wait for inspiration or find some ideas to put into a video content. Anyway, that's it. Welcome if you are new. Thank you so much for returning. Please continue to follow me and watch these videos to help inspire you guys to make your own jewelry. Or if you want to buy something from my eBay page store, you can go there and support me there too. So thank you so much for following and continuing to follow. Let's help grow this channel and see where it takes us. Thank you so much for following. If you hear the rain, it's been raining all day long, so it's a perfect time to make a cry. Plus, everybody's quiet. Angel's downstairs asleep. That's the best time to do it. It's only morning here, too, and the temperature is like around 53 degrees. Anyway, that's it for me. These are called bracelet boards. Your bracelet board. Bracelet board. Bye, everybody.